Hey everyone, welcome back! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Talabat Credit for ordering food, so you can enjoy meals without reaching for your card. Let's jump right in. First, open the Talabat app and log into your account. Next, browse restaurants and add your favorite dishes to your cart. When you're ready to check out, tap View Cart to go to the payment screen. On the payment page, look for the section labeled Payment Method, or use Talabat Credit. If you've got credit available, you'll see your Talabat balance displayed. Toggle the switch or tap the option that says Use Talabat Credit. So the app will automatically apply your available credit toward your total. If your credit doesn't cover the full order, just choose your preferred payment method like debit card or cash on delivery. To pay the remaining balance. Double check your order details and then tap Place Order, and that's it. Your meal is on its way, and the Talabat Credit has been used to lower or pay the cost. Enjoy your food! If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more app tips and ordering hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.